Welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, I'd like us to simplify the following surds. So simplify root of 72 divided by 3, subtract root of 5, minus 3 divided by root of 8. So we shall start with this part. So we start with this one. So root of 72 divided by 3 minus root of 5. When I look at that part, it is possible to simplify root of 72 further. Root of 72 will simplify 2. 72 is the same as 36 multiplied by 2. And then we can get the square root of 36 to be 6. And then the square root of 2, we leave it in surd form as 6 root 2. So now for root of 72, we shall have 6 root 2. Then everything divided by 3, subtract root of 5. So we're starting with that. To doing that, the next step is to rationalize the denominator, and we rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is 3 plus root of 5. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that. So 3 plus root of 5, like that. Now let us multiply the numerator. So for the numerator, 6 root 2 multiplied by 3, that will give 18 root 2, then plus 6 root 2 multiplied by root 5, that will give 6 root 10. That is the numerator. Then for the denominator, we have 3 minus root 5 multiplied by 3 plus root 5. So this is difference of two squares. Just to recall how we work out this, if you let 3 to be a, I'm letting 3 to be a, like that, and then root 5 to be b. So we have a plus b, a minus b. So that is difference of two squares, and when you simplify these, you always get a squared minus b squared. So if we apply this here, difference of two squares, you notice we are going to simplify this one to be 3 squared minus root of 5 squared, and this will give 9 subtract 5, which will simplify to 4. So that is how you're supposed to work out that part. So you have 4 there. So we can now write the numerator and the denominator for that part. We shall have it simplified to 18 root of 2 plus 6 root of 10 divided by 4. Now we go to the other part, this part now, that is here. So we have 3 divided by root 8. So for this one, we can still simplify root of 8 further. Root of 8 can be simplified to 4 times 2, the square root. Then you get the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 2, you leave it in surd form as root 2. So this one will give 3 divided by, so root 8 is 2 root 2. The next step, you rationalize the denominator. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2 root 2. By this by 2 root 2. And this one will simplify 2. 3 times 2 root 2 will give 6 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2 will give 4 times 2, which is 8. So now we have that part there, and we also have the other one here. So now we take the two, we combine. So we have 18 root 2 plus 6 root 10 divided by 4, then subtract 6 root 2 divided by 8. So at this stage, we can just work it out the way we work out fractions by getting the LCM of 4 and 8. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So 8 divided by 4, you get 2. So you have to multiply everything here by 2. So 2 multiplied by, this will be 18 root 2 plus 6 10, and then 8 divided by 8, that will be negative 1. So this will be 6 root 2. So upon opening the brackets, this is what you're going to get. But this one will be 2 times 18 root 2. This will give 36 root 2 plus 12 root 10 minus 6 root 2, everything divided by 8. So after doing that, we can collect the like terms. We have 36 root 2, subtract 6 root 2, that will give 30 root 2. So we have 30 root 2 plus 12 root 10, everything divided by 8. So you can simplify this one further. 30 root 2 divided by 8 plus 12 root 10 divided by 8. Simplifying this by 2 4, by 2 15, by 2 4, by 2 6. So this one simplifies to 15 root 2 plus 6 root 10, everything divided by 4. So that is how you're supposed to work out that.